John's home. Woody, I've decided I've given John a pretty bad time lately.
You?
Yeah. I have an attack of conscience at least once a year. I'm gonna give him a gift to apologize.
Garfield, I found out my sneezing was caused because I was angry at you. Well, I've decided something. No matter what you do, I'll never, ever be mad at you again.
No matter what I do? Wow. Okay. Here's something for you.
Oh, you picked me some flowers. That's nice, Garfield. And you have so many different kinds. You have daisies and daffodils and goldenrod and... Goldenrod?
Yeah, goldenrod. It's been blooming outside lately. And I just love to sleep in it and roll around in it.
You've been rolling around in goldenrod? A flower I'm allergic to? That's what's been making me sneeze? And I went through all those cures and went to that doctor and all that because of that? I'm mad at you, Garfield.
No matter what you do, I'll never be mad at you again. Gee, that didn't last long.
I'm mad at my cat! I'm mad at my
Poor
cat!
man. It sounds like he's got a cold. Or maybe it's an allergy to goldenrod.
I'm mad